Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show the demo for my course project, and thank you for your time and attention. I will first introduce about the project idea, majorly about the main functions I'll achieve, and how to use this tool. I will also mention about the techniques I used to achieve these functions, and then I will show step by step for using the tool. So the general idea for my course project is to achieve convenient transform from paper prototype into interactive interfaces. To simplify this project, I focused on these following functions: identifying index for each page, identifying buttons, creating HTML and CSS for each page, creating links between pages. Therefore, my current version demo will only include buttons as interactive elements. To complete this project, I applied fundamental techniques for shape and text detections in computer vision, and also used some simple web developing techniques to create pages. So, to use this tool, first you need to sketch your interface on paper or whiteboard, and take a picture of each interface as your input. To simplify the complexity, I give a certain scale to follow when sketching the interface. You can see here as a given style. The largest contour is defined as a whole sketching area, which means all interface elements need to be drawn here. The inside rectangle is used to imply the interface area, which will be imported as web interface. Inside the sketching area and on top of the interface area, users are required to put an index for the page, and I use letters here. As for button, I defined a rectangle with an arrow pointing out as a button, and the letter at the end of arrow implies the page index to jump to. Once several pictures of interfaces are taken and imported to the tool, they will be processed as images. After pre-processing, the image will be treated with multiple separate areas based on the style we designed before. An area, element, and text detections are achieved by some APIs offered by OpenCV. Here you can see, these are all the wanted information from a picture. In this slide, you can see that after an original picture is imported, I will separately select these informations: the sketching area, the interface area, button elements, letters as page index. After I got all my wanted information, I can create a simple website with these informations. The interface area will be automatically chopped for interface and added as a background image for the web page. According to the information we get from the button element, I can use its position and size to define CSS for this button on the website. The page index letter is used for searching for duplication, naming the file, and identifying related images. And letters for link will create an URL for jumping. After creating all these required commands, I use Django to update the HTML and CSS document to create or update the pages. Here I will show the output with multiple interfaces from this tool. We can see here that I have two different designs for page A. The original one is jumping from A to B, and then to C, and back to A again. And the updated version is that from A, I can jump to B and C. So here is the final website I created. Thank you for your time.